This is second sitting compartment of Intercity Express that runs between Pune and Mumbai. It looks like AC chair car, but it is not. Nice rack which is transparent at bottom, 3 by 3 sittings, table at the center, comfortable walking alley, and the other end of the compartment is closed, but it doesn't have door, which is there generally in the AC compartment. I walk out of the compartment. Here is a beautiful mirror, and that's me in the mirror. And I'm going back into the compartment. See how spacious is that? Ample leg space. The tables again. These are the manually operated door between two compartments. If you pull one, the other comes in, and they are transparent. Spacious leg space. That's where I was sitting. Transparent bottom rack. It doesn't have a grill. They are strong enough to hold your luggage. Switches, charging point for your phones, laptops and tablets. Emergency window without the grill. Just slide open the glass and you are out in case of emergency. Now this is how it looks from outside. Interesting, isn't it? Now on my way back to Mumbai, I found this piece of hardware in the train. It tells you which is the next halting station and distance to the station. It's 47 kilometer. The same announcement in Hindi. Keep watching, keep scrolling. पुढील स्टेशन लोणावळा. आगामी स्थानकाचे अंतर 47 किलोमीटर. Keep watching. Please ensure the safety of your own luggage. It tells you to take care of your luggage. The shake of train is causing it to outfocus a bit. Keep watching, keep scrolling. Again, the date, the time has proceeded, and the same information in Hindi. The time has proceeded ahead between English and Hindi by a few seconds. Next halting station Lonavala. Distance to next halting station now it is 46 kilometers. It has reduced as the train has moved on. This you get because of GPS. 45 kilometers reduced further. This you get because of GPS. पुढील स्टेशन लोणावळा. आगामी स्थानकाचे अंतर 45 किलोमीटर. As the train is moving, the satellite tracks the movement. Please do not consume liquor in the train. Thank you.